In exercise 8.6, we're trying to look at what the inventory is, and we've got several shipments that are in transit over the period of time that the inventory is accounted for. So we have a company here that has a calendar year end, and so we are going to want to know what is the correct inventory balance on December 31st of 2021. And so they've taken a physical inventory and they find out that the current inventory, so the physical inventory is $165,000. But then we've got a series of 5 transactions that we're going to look at and see if those need to be added to the inventory. So the first one is goods are shipped to Quak, our company, FOB. FOB stands for free on board destination. So that means we don't count it. The title doesn't transfer and it's not ours until it reaches us. And it was shipped on December 20th, 2021, received January 4th of 2022. The invoice cost was $30,000. We do not include this because it's FOB destination and we received it January 4th, so we didn't have it December 31. Number 2, goods shipped from Quak FOB shipping point on December 28th. Okay, so that now we have FOB free on board shipping point. That means the title transfers when they put it on the truck, right, and ship it to us. So that was done on December 28th. So those are ours, even though, and should be included in inventory, even though we did not receive it until January 5th. The invoice cost was $17,000. So we have transaction 2 is $17,000 that we need to add to this. Okay, the third one is goods shipped to Quak to a customer. Goods shipped from Quak, so they're from us to a customer. FOB destination on December 27th. They were received by the customer on January 3rd. So now we're shipping goods instead of receiving goods. And in this case, we sent them FOB destination. So the title doesn't transfer to the buyer until they actually receive it. And they didn't receive it until January 3rd. So the correct inventory number will include this shipment of $22,000. Okay, so that's transaction number 3. Okay. Transaction number 4, goods shipped from Quak to a customer, FOB destination. And that was shipped on December 26th, but they were received by the customer on December 30th. And so the title transfers when they received it, so we do not include transaction number 4. And transaction number 5, we have goods shipped from Quak, that's us, to a customer, FOB shipping point. So the title transfers when we put it on the truck, and they were received by the customer January 4th. So these are not included in our inventory December 31, even though the customer didn't receive it until January 4th. So that's what we have, and we just simply add those up. And all total, our correct inventory to report on the balance sheet is $204,000. This is the correct inventory amount. All right. So that's the difference between FOB shipping point and FOB destination.